In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive Mailchimp contacts in this step-by-step 2025 tutorial. Archiving contacts in Mailchimp is a great way to manage your audience effectively, clean up your list, and potentially save on costs. Let's dive into how you can get this done smoothly. First, we need to begin by accessing Mailchimp. Simply head over to mailchimp.com. Once there, click on the Login button and enter your account details. After you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. From here, locate the Audience tab in the left-hand menu and give it a click. Now, if you manage multiple audiences, the next step involves selecting the specific audience you want to work with. Check the Current Audience drop-down menu and choose the list that contains the contacts you wish to archive. It's wise to archive inactive, bounced, or unsubscribed contacts to keep your lists neat and cost-efficient. Next, let's take a closer look at all your contacts. You'll want to click on All Contacts, where you'll find subscribers, unsubscribed users, and non-subscribers. This is where you can use filters or the search bar at the top to locate specific contacts if needed. Once you've identified the contacts you want to archive, you have two options. For archiving a single contact, find the contact in your list, click the three dots next to their email, and select Archive. Make sure you confirm when Mailchimp prompts you with the question, "Are you sure you want to archive this contact?" Click Confirm to finalize. If you wish to archive multiple contacts simultaneously, simply check the boxes beside the contact names. Afterward, click on the Actions drop-down above the list, choose Archive, and confirm when prompted. Here's a helpful tip. Filter by unsubscribed or cleaned and select all to bulk archive inactive users efficiently. Now, if you prefer organizing by category, let's clean up through segments. Go to Manage Contacts and then Segments. Create a new segment. For instance, status is unsubscribed. Once set up, click View Segment Results. Select all the contacts in that segment, go to Actions, and choose Archive. This method speeds up the process when dealing with large groups. To verify that everything's in order, return to your Audience Overview page. Your total number of contacts should be lower. To check your archived contacts, navigate back to Manage Contacts and click on View Archived Contacts. Finally, if you ever need to restore someone, go to your archived contacts, find them, click the three dots next to their email, and select Unarchive. To understand the billing impact, head to Account, then Billing, and finally Plan Details. Remember, Mailchimp only charges for active contacts, so archiving can lower your costs. Thanks for watching this tutorial on archiving Mailchimp contacts. Don't forget, Mailchimp automatically excludes archived, cleaned, and unsubscribed contacts from your billing total.